Retail traders often face two enemies. Number one is a very high margin, and number two is unlimited loss risk. Today, I'll show you how to manage both. Hi everybody, welcome to the video. Retail traders option selling war tactic. If you sell options, this video you're gonna learn something really good. Before we start, I have to tell you standard disclaimer that any strategy, any trading method which you learn contains certain degree of risk to the capital. Knowledge which helps you become a better trader. If you sell option, it's always important to know your challenges. Point number one is enemy identification. Let me show you what exactly do I mean. So here we are on an option simulator, and if we open option chain, one of the most popular strategy of option selling is selling a call and the put, which is trading approximately 20-25 delta. So I want to demonstrate to you what exactly is an issue. Once we know the issue, only then we can come out with the solution of this. So I've sold an option, and then I look forward to sell an option on the put side as well, somewhere roughly around 20-25 delta. We can probably sell this. This is around 19 delta. This is called short strangle, right? Very popular, especially among working professionals. And when you do something like this is how the payoff looks. But this one has the number one issue which we must identify, and that issue is if market starts to trend, then what you see that this strategy has unlimited loss. It's a very risky strategy. It looks on paper that theta will decay and things gonna be fine, but as soon as range starts to break, then what you see is a pretty huge and wide zone. In fact, I want to show you on the chart as well how much market can fall. You watch this. So this is a nifty daily chart, and what you see that when market is in range, which is here like this, then there is no issue. But as soon as we see some kind of a crazy fall, as you can see, market from here really went down and it's a huge gap down. A strategy like this, if you are not really trading it professionally, can give a lot of pain. Also, when you do naked option selling, it requires you for a really high margin. So is there any way? The main challenge is if market remain where market is, we get the theta benefit. But if market gives us crazy gap down, then we can hedge it in such a way where we can reduce the damage as much as we can. Obviously, risk cannot be zero. Risk will always be there. But when we hedge it very smartly, then the end result can be different. So I want to tell you in theory first, and then I will exactly take you on this particular day on a simulation how option behaved, how wicks spiked. A lot of things we're going to cover. So basically what I'm telling you, I'm going to explain you in a new option builder. For example, if we are taking this position, right, example, and we are taking it on a monthly series, in that situation, then the best part is that we have weekly options as well at play. So that means first option is if you're going with a naked short strangle, then it's always better to have some kind of a cover and probably buy a break even. So for example, here the upper break even is around 25,700. So we can buy a 25,700 call on the upside, and at the same time what we can do is we can buy a 24,500 put on the downside. So here we go, 25,500 put, which is trading around 13 level. So in short, what we have done is, obviously I do not want to show this chart alongside with this, because when you sell and buy, it gives you a very different kind of a payoff chart. But the main core idea which I'm telling you is that if we sell monthly option, naked option, then at the same time when we buy weeklies, and by the way, I want you to really zoom in and understand, when you buy so far out option, the premium is not much. When we take the trade, we assume that this premium will become zero if market do not trend, and we are absolutely fine with this. At the same time, only when the market start to trend and market give us some kind of a gap down, only then this kind of a option, the weekly option, should come into play. This sounds very exciting, right? Why don't I show you and I really build a strong base for you if you've been doing a lot of option writing, if you've been watching videos on this channel because you want to improve on your trading. Why don't I show you on simulator so you get a complete and total clarity? So let's start the simulation now, and then I have to tell you even more stronger points towards the end of the video. So we have selected exactly the same month. I'm talking about this month, right? And as you can see, it's April and market such a sharp and brutal sell-off. This is a daily Nifty chart. So step number one, let's build the usual strangle, which is very popular. That is, we look to sell a delta of 25 towards the call, towards the put side. So let's pick a round figure and we are selling this particular call option, and then we will sell the put side as well. You want to learn and understand the power of real hedging, power of the techniques when you trade into the options. Let's understand that, right? And it's all about reducing your risk as much as we can. And now let's sell the put as well, and this will look very familiar to you, right? This will look like a short strangle like this, and if market remains here, then there is no issue, right? But when markets start to trend, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a different simulator in which we buy a weekly option. Let's see how interesting it is going to get exactly on the same date now, but the only difference is we're gonna go on the weekly option. It's getting more interesting by every passing minute. So let me load exactly the same series. So I will show you. Now we have loaded a weekly option chain, and first we have to see the upper break even is around 24,300. 24,300. So we look to buy this, and we are buying it on the weekly option. As you can see very clearly, we have to buy a put option now, and what do is we see where the lower break even is and we look to buy this, right? So we are selling it in the monthly. As you can see clearly, we are buying it in the weekly. Now, two possibilities exist. Number one, that market will just be where the market is. In that situation, if it's in the range, then there is no issue. But if market starts to trend, then what's going to happen is a very interesting point. So now let's see, we are here now and market is going to fall extremely fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and we are just simulating by one lot so that you get the complete clarity. Next time when you're trading a short strangle, you will remember that somebody told me this kind of an adjustment, right? Now here what you see is that market has gone drastically down. There's been a huge and major gap down, and what do you see? You see that here on this particular day, obviously if the market trend, then what we see is that it has come in the red zone now. Anyway, selling a naked option contains very high degree of risk. I want you to always remember that when you trade into the options. Now let's see what's happening during our weekly options. Same, so on 7th we're gonna stop. So let's see what happens now. It's a weekly option. The theta decay is high. In fact, towards the end of the video, I will tell you some more tricks and techniques if you trade. Now here what you see is that we have come on 7th of April now, exactly the same time, 9:30, and here we see is that we are roughly minus 54,071. So let's see that. So this is minus 54,071. This is the loss which we have in the weekly option, right? Because we bought the option. In that situation, we got to just simply add it 53272. And what do we see is that we find ourselves how much it is if market go down so drastic. At one end, this is approximately minus 54, but the weekly options is plus 53 and a big major gap down. And just look how much of a damage a trader can expect in such kind of a crazy gap down versus these economical hedges really have a big and huge impact in the trading when you buy the hedges. This strategy is a good starting point for managing risk. There are many other approaches for but now let's focus on this strategy. This is a good foundation strategy on the hedging, and like I said, I have some more points to add to this. What not to do? Selling weekly strangles without any hedge. I see this concept has been very popular, that selling weekly has higher theta decay, so why don't we just simply sell weekly? When you sell weekly, you are taking higher degree of risk, let me tell you that. Any kind of a big gap up and gap down, though it looks easy on paper, but when you are doing it without any hedge, that comes out with a very high degree of risk. You must know that. Sometimes what not to do is more important than what to do. And point number two, professional protocol, rolling hedges. When things go complete out of control, a gap down, I've showed you example. But if market is not trending and then you buy a very economical weekly options out of the money on the call side, on the put side, and obviously you're buying it so that you expect out of the money options to become zero. You expect a non-trending market, only then a trader is selling a short strangle, isn't it? So when the outside hedges, the weekly option becomes zero, but we are still in the trade of a monthly option. In that situation, it's always prudent to probably take your weekly option, maybe week number 1 to a week number 2 now, right? And then week number 2 to week number 3. This is called rolling hedges. One can definitely look forward to roll from week to week. This is what I mean, that if market really trends and this hedging have this options, the weekly options have done its job, one can completely remove it, or you can completely square off, completely your wish. But in the situation where both the hedges become zero, right, because market is in range, instead of 9th of April, on the same very day, we can square off the 9th, and then probably you could go to the next week, the next option weekly which is available for you. That way you ensure that you are not doing a random naked selling by a 25 delta or delta of your choice. Now you understand the basic framework. Some traders prefer to learn independently through free content like this. Others preferred a structured learning environment with the pair discussion, which you see here. In terms of hedging, I wanted to really go a little deep on what you have learned today, how you can make it better. The main idea is, if you are into option selling, right, understand the risk which you're taking when you're going with plain vanilla option selling, and probably you're trying to adjust your deltas, probably you want to sell at the optimum time, maybe which delta is working out for you. So when you figure your option selling strike, after that it's always smarter to think about, now it's time to buy some kind of a hedging. When you buy hedging, not only it just sort of reduces your risk, at the same time it also has a big impact on margin as well. When you buy weekly options, you can always check out with your broker in terms of margin benefit, how much do you get. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading one must avoid into the markets. If you find this video really helpful, now the next video which you can watch is the calendar spread, the low weeks technique which I shared. Also, if you are somebody who like to do a lot of option selling, maybe you do a lot of option straddles and strangle, but you're looking forward for an alternative, you want to add hedging in such a way, I've shared a very interesting video here. Maybe that can be your next video. If you are into doing a lot of option writing, you can learn some really good points from that video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the very best. Take care. Bye-bye. Signing off.